Number 1.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, rust-free classic OBS pickup that has clearly been well taken care of over the years. Showing 261,000 miles on the odometer, this truck still maintains its strong character and reliable performance. It's powered by a 350 Fi V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and 4x4 drivetrain, offering the driver full control and a true old-school driving experience. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck carries a cohesive and timeless look that reflects the spirit of early 90s Chevrolet design. It has been lowered 2 inches, giving it a sportier stance without sacrificing comfort or drivability. Running on gasoline, this Chevy remains a solid and dependable machine. Overall, it's a clean, well-preserved truck that blends rugged capability with classic style, a great example of the era's craftsmanship.
Number 2.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It comes in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and classic look. Under the hood, it's powered by a rebuilt 350 SBC engine paired with a TH400 transmission, both recently overhauled. The truck has received a fresh coat of paint less than a year ago, and the only remaining aspect needing attention is the interior. Since the rebuild, it has accumulated around 10,000 miles and continues to run and shift flawlessly. It rides on stylish 20-inch US Mags U134 Desperado 5 rims, wrapped in brand new Goodyear Eagle Exhilarate tires, adding both performance and curb appeal. Overall, this Chevy C10 stands as a well-maintained classic with reliable power, a refreshed exterior, and a solid driving experience.
Number 3.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, it has traveled 195,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 5.7L 350 V8 engine. Finished in an eye-catching turquoise exterior with a clean gray leather interior, this truck has been kept in great condition both inside and out, equipped with oversized tires, a durable truck bed liner, and an aftermarket stereo and speaker system. It offers both utility and comfort. The leather seats remain in good shape, and both the heat and air conditioning function perfectly. Additional features include a Class 5 hitch for towing and several recent maintenance updates, including new intake manifold gaskets, serpentine belt, tensioner, and pulleys, as well as a new distributor cap and rotor.
Number 4.
1976 GMC High Sierra 35, price $7,500. It comes equipped with a strong 454 V8 engine, known for its impressive torque and durability, though it's currently missing the compressor in brackets. The truck has been fitted with a brand new radiator and upgraded with electric fans, ensuring better cooling performance and reliability. With its solid build quality and vintage appeal, this High Sierra 35 offers an excellent foundation for a restoration project or a custom build. Whether kept in its original form or modified to suit personal taste, it stands as a great example of GMC's craftsmanship during the golden era of classic trucks.
Number 5.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $5,975. It has 198,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and consistent driving experience. The truck sports a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it that clean, vintage look that stands out on the road. In October 2025, the carburetor was professionally rebuilt and 2 brand new fuel tanks were installed, with receipts showing $1,061 spent on the recent work. While it does not have air conditioning, this C10 starts easily, runs strong, and drives confidently. With a clear title in hand, it's a reliable and road-ready example of Chevrolet's classic craftsmanship, ideal for anyone who appreciates old-school trucks with solid performance and timeless style.
Number 6.
1999 Ford F250, price $5,000, powered by a 7.3L Power-Stroke diesel engine with 588,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it has been extensively serviced, including rebuilt transmission and transfer case, new AC, new front hubs, radiator, hoses, overflow tank, starter, tensioner pulley, water pump, hydraulic brake booster, and steering column. Previously used for a pool cleaning business between Pahrump, Nevada, the bed floor has rust from spilled chemicals, but the cabin frame are rust-free.
The steering wheel is slightly misaligned after column replacement but drives straight.
Power windows don't work, AC is cold, 4x4 works, and it has a clean title in hand.
Number 7.
1998 Ford F-150, price $3,500, featuring a regular cab, It offers a functional and straightforward layout that emphasizes practicality over frills. Powered by a gasoline engine with a manual transmission, this truck delivers full control and lasting reliability, ideal for drivers who value a more connected and engaging driving experience. Finished in green with a clean gray interior, this F-150 has covered 230,000 miles but continues to run and drive very well, showcasing Ford's reputation for toughness.
The air conditioner is fully operational, ensuring comfort even during long or hot drives.
It also holds a clean title, confirming its well-maintained history and dependability. Built for both work and everyday use, this truck stands as a dependable classic, solid, rugged, and ready to handle whatever comes its way.
Number 8.
1977 Ford F-150, price $7,750, kept in excellent overall condition and still completely original with no modifications, a true survivor that's increasingly hard to find. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 351M V8 engine paired with a smooth C6 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and classic power. With only around 70,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs and drives perfectly, showcasing how well it's been maintained through the years. The brown exterior and matching brown interior highlight its vintage character and originality, while the solid build quality reflects the durability Ford was known for in the late 70s.
Powered by gasoline, this F-150 represents an authentic piece of American truck history. Number 9.
1995 Ford F-150, price $7,800, clean and reliable 4x4 pickup powered by a strong 5.8L engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 88,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives exceptionally well and is currently used as a daily driver. The truck features a green exterior with a tan interior, along with power windows and locks for added convenience. It comes with a brand new transmission, lift kit, wheels, and tires, all contributing to its solid performance and appearance. While there are a few minor fixes needed, nothing major affects its drivability. Rust-free and well-maintained, this F-150 carries a clean Florida title, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic truck.
Number 10.
1984 Nissan Datsun, price $4,500. It has remained with only one owner since new, showcasing genuine care and pride of ownership. It has covered 183,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. The car's bright orange exterior gives it a bold, vintage character that truly stands out on the road. Powered by a 720 engine with 8 spark plugs, this 4-cylinder setup is known for its reliability, efficiency, and straightforward maintenance. The vehicle comes with a clean title, has successfully passed its smog check, and holds current registration and valid tags through 2026, ensuring it's ready for immediate use. Overall, this 1984 Nissan Datsun represents a solid and authentic piece of automotive history, a clean, well-kept classic that combines vintage style with dependable performance.